Welcome to Open Day. I'm Dr. Julie Skiro, and I'm the Academic Director for the MSc in Digital Marketing. And I thought in this video, I'd tell you a bit about my vision for the program. And a big part of that vision is to design a curriculum that is highly practical. I'll give you an example. Nielsen is one of the biggest market research companies there is, and this year I was able to negotiate special access to their ad intelligence database for our students. We are the only school in Ireland to get this, and it means our students have access to near real-time data on thousands of campaigns that typically only big brands and agencies are able to access. I'll give you another example. Most of the classes on the program are based on continuous assessment and are project-based. I want to help you build the skill set that you can take to a company and hit the ground running with. And I think project-based work is a huge part of building that practical skill set. Every year is a little bit different because we're always looking for ways to improve the program's curriculum, the projects, the partnerships that we have. But I hope the examples I've given help you to see how I'm thinking about the program and how I approach it. And I have some special things in mind for next year. A second part of my vision is to deliver a program that is truly cutting edge. And one of the ways that we do this, apart from continually improving the curriculum, is by leveraging our amazing location in the tech heart of Europe. This location, along with the UCD Smurfit brand, allow us to bring in senior digital marketing people to the classroom. So, is this program a good fit for you? Here's what we're looking for, and I actually don't mind if you're coming from a non-business background. Some of our best students have come from very different disciplines. The key determining factor that I've seen is how motivated you are. This is especially true if you don't have prior experience in business. There will be a little bit of catch-up that you'll need to do. But if you're willing to do the work, then this is not something I would worry about. The other thing we're looking for is an interest in analytics. Because yes, this is a marketing degree, but analytics should underpin everything that you do in marketing. And the main thing we're looking for is your willingness to put in the work. So we look forward to seeing your application, and we hope to see you in the fall.